Hey, super friends! Today I'm going to show you how you can be a superhero for your pets. That's right, our furry and feathered friends need heroes just like us, and I'm super excited to show you how to care for them. Are you ready? Here we go. First up, every pet hero needs to know what their pet loves to eat. Just like you might love pizza or ice cream, pets have their favorite foods too. Dogs often love crunchy kibble or sometimes even veggies. Cats purr for some nice fish or meaty cat food. And guess what? Fish love flakes and pellets made just for them. But remember, giving them the right amount is super important to keep them healthy and happy. Next, all super pet heroes know that pets need plenty of water. Imagine running around saving the day and not having a cool glass of water to drink. Pets feel the same way. Always check their water bowl to make sure it's clean and full. It's a super simple way to show you care. Now let's talk about playtime. Pets love to play, and it helps them stay fit and active. You can throw a ball for your dog, dangle a toy for your cat, or even set up a fun maze for your hamster. Playtime is not just fun. It's also a great way for you and your pet to bond and become best buddies. Remember, superheroes also need to keep their pet's home clean. Whether it's a cage, a tank, or your home, keeping it tidy means your pet stays healthy. For example, cleaning your cat's litter box or changing the water in your fish tank are super important tasks. And lastly, super pet heroes always make sure their pets are healthy. This means taking them to the vet for checkups, making sure they get their vaccinations, and giving them lots of love and cuddles. Pets need to feel loved just like we do. So super friends, by feeding your pets the right food, giving them plenty of water, playing with them, keeping their homes clean, and making sure they're healthy, you are a true pet hero. Thanks for joining me today. And remember, taking care of a pet is a big responsibility, but it's also a lot of fun and super rewarding. See you next time, heroes!